Hey Felts, in this video I'm going to show you how to create element groups. Now, grouping elements is super useful in maps that have many elements and you want to organize information for the viewer. So in this case, I have Starbucks in the Bay Area and I've got three clusters. One are these yellow diamonds in Oakland, these red squares in San Francisco, and I've got two blue stars in San Francisco International Airport. And while I'm already representing this relationship by using color and icons, I want to take that a bit deeper by using element groups. So in order to better understand what's going on, let's open the element list here, and you'll see what is composing this map. We have these image and text elements for just for the title I made, and then all these other pins that are the Starbucks. So we're going to organize those. And to do that, we're going to use multi-selection. If you haven't seen my other video on multi-selection, please make sure to do that because there's many ways of doing this in Felt. And I'm only going to show one here, which is rectangular selection using Shift, click, and drag. Okay, I now have all Starbucks in Oakland selected, so I'm going to group them, create a new group, and call them Oakland Starbucks. And I'm going to do the same for these two other groups, for San Francisco Starbucks and SFO Starbucks. Okay, and you'll notice two things have happened. One is that I now have three elements in my legend where the data layers also go, and these are also visible for viewers and they can toggle on and off the visibility. So this is really nice to just keep things organized, or maybe if you're showing different scenarios. Another change has happened in the list. Our list now is organized in groups, and I can just collapse these to keep them a bit more tidy. I could arrange them on top of each other if they were overlapping, and I can also toggle the visibility on and off. I'm just going to leave them here because I like how that looks a bit cleaner. Okay, finally, if you want to delete an element group, you can also do that by clicking on the overflow menu here. And then you might be tempted on clicking delete, but this actually will also eliminate all the pins. This seems like a big drama, but it isn't, because in Felt we have undo, so just Command Z and they're back. But instead, we're going to press ungroup. And now our group has disappeared, but all the pins are still there. That's all. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.